I walk this sidewalk of life and laugh, quite deliriously, because the chemical compound of oxytocin is the insane substitute for this thing that we call love. And sometimes I feel like a hurricane pretending to be human. And aren't we all human-shaped disasters walking this earth, whirling in delirium, wreaking small havoc, pretending to be sane for the sake of sanity? Because the stars traveled light years to come alive in the irises of my eyes, and I am carrying time machines upon my face when I am searching for miracles in the details of the night sky. Because my atoms are alive and vibrating, and it's hard to believe in the end of time when I feel a melody pulsing through my body, when I am carrying eons in the cellular regeneration of my biology. Because we're nitrogen and phosphorus and God knows what, burning with something that we cannot explain. Because I'm scared of the human eye and what it can and cannot show. Because they say darkness is the absence of light, and if that is the case, then now I know why I feel so damn empty all the time. I'm full of darkness and absence. Because sometimes it's hard to tell the difference between humans and black holes, and I am reeling with gravity, aching with want, hungry and ravenous. I am sorry if I swallowed you whole. Because the night sky doesn't look so beautiful when you know it's a graveyard, littered with the corpses of stars that created you. Or maybe there's just a special kind of beauty in destruction, like the way that rusted metal glistens in a car crash, or the way that a human heartbeat feels almost like an earthquake if you listen close enough. A soft earthquake. Because we're all wide-eyed, witnessing calamities, creating our own tragedies. Can we please, for just a single second, believe in infinity?
I'm lying on the moon, my dear, I'll be there